That is a great question. So basically what I ended up doing is I knew I had to get licensed. That was my first hurdle, I guess you could say. Before wanting to start a company, you got to be a licensed plumber. So from there, I would go to the contractor licensing center and I'd go and spend pretty much all day. It was like I was studying like 6, 7, 8 hours a day.
Hmm.
And that was like my life from November. So November, December, about 3.5, 4 months until I took the test and I passed. And then from there, that's when I decided, okay, now I got my license. Now I can open up everything that I need to and be official from the state, from the ROC, and kind of get things rolling for myself.